Hello, welcome back my channel for another exciting video. Are you tired of that frustrating excess belly fat? I understand, overweight can be frustrating, especially if it's exhausting. Well, in this video, I will be sharing some tips which will help you burn those abdominal fat with or without exercise. Watch till the end. Many people do not know the fifth and last point. Let's get into it. Number 1. Eat more fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables can provide complex carbohydrates which are a healthful and low-calorie alternative to refined carbohydrates. Fruits and vegetables also add fiber to the diet. Research trusted source suggests that fruit fiber can reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes, a condition linked with visceral fat accumulation and overweight, and help regulate blood sugar and belly fat. 2. Drink green tea. Green tea is an exceptionally healthy beverage. It contains caffeine and the antioxidant epiglycetecin gallate, which appear to boost metabolism. Green tea is a catechin, which several studies suggest may help you lose belly fat. The effect may be strengthened when green tea consumption is combined with exercise. Interestingly, one review concluded that green tea could increase weight loss, especially when consumed in doses of about 400 mg per day for 12 weeks. Another review showed that regular consumption of green tea could be beneficial for reducing body weight and waist circumference. So if you're looking for an easy way to burn belly fat or reduce weight, you should try green tea with some exercises. 3. Eliminate sugary drinks. Taking in excess sugar seems to be a main driver of weight gain, especially in the abdominal area. A high sugar intake may increase trusted source levels of visceral fat by promoting insulin resistance and spurring inflammation throughout the body. It can be easy to consume high levels of sugar in drinks without realizing it. Check the sugar contents of beverages such as soda and sweetened tea and coffee before drinking, or better still, avoid taking them during the period of your weight loss goal. 4. Focus on low-calorie foods. One of the most effective ways to lose body fat is to eat fewer calories than the body burns. This leads to fat loss throughout the body, including the abdomen. Eating fewer calories than the body uses up creates a caloric deficit. This can help burn both visceral fat and excess subcutaneous fat. Also, low-calorie foods are often more nutritious than high-calorie foods. Eat fewer foods that are high in calories and low in nutrition. For example, processed foods, baked goods, and French fries. This is a beneficial way to create a caloric deficit and improve overall health while burning fat. Try eating foods with nutritious, low-calorie options, such as fruits, vegetables, pulses, and whole grain foods. This way, you can burn excess fat without the need of body-aching exercises. Kindly give this video a thumbs up and subscribe as we continue. 5. Drink less alcohol. Alcohol can prevent weight loss in several ways, including the fact that heavy alcohol intake can stimulate food intake. Binge drinking can overload the liver. The liver then prioritizes processing alcohol over other nutrients and then stores the protein and carbs as fat in the body. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention defines binge drinking as having 5 or more drinks for men, and 4 or more drinks for women in 2 hours. Also, alcoholic beverages are often mixed with sugar-rich beverages. Drinking more than moderate amounts of alcohol can cause calories and fat to add up quickly. 6. Exercises. Develop a workout habit. Exercise can lead to weight loss throughout the body, including around the belly. It is not possible to reduce fat in certain areas only. This means that targeted exercises such as crunches and sit-ups will not necessarily burn abdominal fat better than other exercises. However, these exercises can strengthen and tone the abdominal muscles, making them appear more defined. However, if you're really determined to get rid of that belly fat or fat around other body parts, you must be willing and ready to hit the gym and get that fat burned right away. Simple exercises such as running, biking and jumping can help you through the process. 7. Drink enough water more often. People can minimize water retention and bloating, both of which can make a person's stomach look larger, by drinking plenty of water. Drinking a glass of water before a meal could also fill up the stomach and help with portion control during the meal. People can drink plain water or infuse it with citrus fruits, cucumber, or berries to add flavor. Drinking herbal tea is another excellent way to stay hydrated. This way, you energize your digestive system to properly break down food nutrients in order to avoid fat buildup around the body muscles. 8. Prioritize quality sleep. Sleep is huge when it comes to your weight loss success, and that's both if you sleep too much or too little. Sleeping too much is probably not great for you health-wise, but sleeping too little is worse. According to a research conducted in 2017, by review and meta-analysis from the United Kingdom, it was found that people who slept 5 hours or less per night ate an extra 385 calories the day after compared to those who snoozed for at least 7 to 12 hours. On top of that, they preferred to munch on fatty foods full of empty calories, like chips. In essence, learn to prioritize quality sleep if you want success in your weight loss journey. 9. The last. Try to limit your stress level. Stress can mess with every part of your body, but how you deal with it can make or break your weight loss goals. Stress makes us eat more, because we use food as a substitute for dealing with stress. The truth is, eating food to make yourself feel better is usually a whole lot easier than actually facing the stress head-on. People gravitate towards something that doesn't require anybody else to do it, and is immediately satisfying, and doesn't take a whole lot of effort. Stress eating can only lead to growing your belly rather than whittling it. If you find yourself stress eating, take a step back and think of what's causing your stress, and what you can do about it. Find a way to remedy the solution or talk through it with a therapist rather than turning to a bag of Doritos. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching to the end. Kindly support this channel by leaving a comment down below, share it with friends, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and turn on post notification to see more of our videos like this. Stay guarded until we meet in my next video. Bye.